pinch your fingers together, and you can push it out, pull it in, move it side to side.
So crazy.
And you can even put it on the ceiling.
Oh, wow.
Navigate to panoramas on the left sidebar. Choose one, and expand the image in the upper right-hand corner.
Come on.
For the first time, you can see panoramas at life size. Any
And be able to
panorama
be in it.
you've ever taken on your iPhone.
Facial?
This is one of my favorite parts about Apple Vision Pro. There's an added dimension to them. You really have to experience it for yourself. It's almost like peering into a moment in time.
It's exactly like that. And I can look at this from different angles. I can almost smell the smoke.
And you can actually take these spatial videos with your iPhone 15 Pro or with Apple Vision Pro.
Siri, open Apple TV. Cool.
To scroll, you pinch your fingers together and you pull it in the direction that you want the content to go. It's almost like pulling on a piece of invisible string.
This is my persona. You can see my facial expressions, my hand gestures, and it's all in real time.
View. Now, choose one.
How about this one? Whoa.
Environments let you expand your space.
What? You're coming through the scene.
Exactly. Breakthrough lets you stay connected to the people around you, even if you're fully immersed. You can also control the level of immersion in an environment simply by spinning the digital crown.
Yeah, it's disappearing.
Go ahead and select Connect.
Whoa.
Dinosaurs. And if you hold out your finger, something may land on it.
No way.
And you can even bring it closer to you. This is an interactive narrative that brings prehistoric times right into your living room.
Oh yeah, I'm seeing the world open up.
I get nervous when I'm not even doing the demo.
Is that a raptor?
It's a Rajasaurus. If you shift from side to side, the Rajasaurus will follow you.